brain training exercises are becoming increasingly popular because of their numerous benefits for the brain. These exercises focus on stimulating the brain's functions such as memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. One of the main benefits of brain training exercises is that they can help improve cognitive abilities such as memory. When you practice these exercises, you're challenging your brain, which can help to improve your memory capacity. Another benefit is that brain training exercises can help to reduce the risk of cognitive decline as you age. Research has shown that engaging the brain in mentally demanding tasks can help keep the brain healthy, which in turn can reduce the risk of dementia and other age-related cognitive decline. Brain training exercises can also help to improve focus and attention. By practicing these exercises regularly, you can train your brain to stay focused on a task for longer periods of time, which can help to boost productivity and improve performance in daily tasks. Brain training exercises can be fun as well. There are many different types of exercises, such as puzzles and games, which can be enjoyable and fulfilling to complete. They can also be done alone or with others, making them a great social activity. Overall, brain training exercises can have many great benefits for the brain and mental health. They can help to improve cognitive abilities, reduce the risk of cognitive decline, and even be enjoyable. So why not give them a try and see what benefits they can bring to your life?